Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Ryan and today we are here with another tutorial in Photoshop. You want to know how to turn a photo to a drawing like in a sketch. It might happen to you a lot when you want to change the color for photo to just a simple drawing, black and white lines. So here's the easy way to do this. Just follow the simple steps. So the first step is to just click on your layer and use Ctrl J on keyboard to duplicate it. And after this, click on this black and white to have this picture with no other colors. So the next step is to just click on your duplicated layer and use Ctrl I on your keyboard to invert it. I'm doing it, and then change this mode to color dodge. There is no special result till now, but if we give it a Gaussian blur, you'll see a runner result. So for this work, the easy way is after selecting your duplicated layer, go to the filter and next to the blur you can find this Gaussian blur. So click on it and here's your time to fix this slide bar to what you need. So it's completely up to you, and for this picture, if I change this radius, you can realize what will happen to this photo. For this photo, I think that maybe 5 could be a good number for this, so I'm writing 5 on that box and clicking on OK, and you'll see the result is somehow magic. You can use it on lots of places like your portrait photos or your landscape or lots of things, or even in architectural usages if you want to draw on your screen. So it would be so useful for all of the Photoshop users, and I hope it would be useful also for you. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, just tell me in the comment section below. As always, I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to see other videos about Photoshop on this channel.